Hi, good morning. Have a wonderful and fruitful day. Let us thank the Lord for He is good and His love endures forever. Let me share to you today the words of wisdom. This is a godly wisdom from the book of Proverbs, because I believe with all my heart that a Proverbs a day keeps the fools away. So listen, my friends, to this powerful principle for life. It says in Proverbs chapter 28 verse 22, greedy people try to get rich quick, but they don't realize they are headed for poverty. So my friend, learn this lesson or this truth. Don't be greedy. Greediness is a sin before God. So avoid to lust for more, wanting for more and having no contentment. Just like a greedy monkey in the forest that wants to grab more of bananas from the pot or funnel-shaped pot that the hunters was used for as a trap. So he grabbed for many bananas, but he after all he cannot get rid of his hand, and he was caught by the hunter. So my beloved friends, don't be like that greedy monkey. Why? Because you will end up for nothing, and even worse, you will lose your own soul. So that's a friendly reminder, my beloved friends, and I declare to all of you, shalom, shalom, peace and grace be multiplied to everyone. God bless you more.